बिजनेस बढ़ाना किसको पसंद नहीं, पैसे ज्यादा कमाना किसको पसंद नहीं. For to do that, you have to do something extra, something different to get as a result something better. So in this particular business expansion secret course, we have given you 5-day programs. So this entire course has been divided into 5 days. Day 1 talks about the benefits of email database, why do you need it, and how you're going to create an email database. There are different kinds of databases as well. Now number 2, day 2 talks about how you're going to create lead magnets, because this is one of the prominent tools. So there are different kinds of lead magnets and we recommend video lead magnets. So we'll be talking about different stats and everything which relates to this. Number 3 is about basic editing and graphic designing through a tool called Canva, because we understand you being a starter. Let's start from where you can be easily and comfortably doing that. Day 4 is all about marketing of your lead magnet. So to do marketing, you have to go through a sequence of steps in which we have taught you about creating a landing page on swipe pages. The tutorials are already there. Then we are going to talk about tags and sequences through which we are going to maintain regular communication with your customers through a tool called ConvertKit. Then we have talked about a tool which is by the name Pabbly to integrate two softwares. And we also talked about Facebook Manager settings so that you can start doing your ads later on once you are done with this. And day 5 is all about creating ad. So once you start doing all this step by steps as been defined in the module, you will be capable enough of doing everything in your own. Otherwise, you'll have to hire a digital marketing agency who will be charging hefty amount. So with a minimal investment, learning on your own is a good choice. So I once again urge you to enroll for this program and get the benefits, because this is an experience which we have combined in a 5-day course module for you to expand your business.